First, the demand for at-home COVID testing is through the roof. South Carolina trying to help that by distributing thousands of tests to health departments across the state. Thank you for joining us here at 5:30. I'm Fred Shropshire.
And I'm Vanessa Rufus. So yeah, today was the first day of handing out the 140,000 at-home tests. WCNC Charlotte's Lana Harris shows us how the state's ensuring these tests go to the most at risk of COVID exposure.
Yeah, so anyone is able to come to county health departments in South Carolina and pick up a test kit. But DHEC set aside a specific amount for those who particularly need it, like nursing homes and first responders and schools who've been hit hard by the Omicron variant. Since the start of the new school year, COVID has been making its rounds through districts throughout the Carolinas.
Our numbers have been really off the chart for the last couple of weeks with close contacts.
Superintendent Jonathan Phipps says Lancaster County schools haven't been spared.
In a lot of our schools, we've had to move around folks to keep schools open.
Phipps says district office personnel have gone to work in schools, even becoming substitute teachers in some cases.
We laugh because I was counting chicken nuggets one day because we had to close down the cafeteria.
Joe Burke with Fort Mill Schools says it's the same story for them.
Since the Omicron variant became prevalent in the United States, we have seen cases go up.
But now South Carolina school districts have a new tool to keep kids in school.
DHEC actually put out a survey to school districts asking to submit interest if you were interested in getting test kits from them at a future date, and we did.
DHEC just received a shipment of 140,000 at-home COVID tests. Half were designated for community members, and the other half have been set aside for first responders, state government agencies, long-term care facilities, correctional facilities, and school districts.
Just having more readily access available testing is going to help all around.
Both Lancaster and Fort Mill schools have drive-up testing available for students and staff, but Phipps and Burke say these will provide more convenience.
Help us identify positive cases quicker, which would allow us to cut down any spread if for people being in the classroom not realizing that they are positive.
The ones that they're sending us, we're going to have our folks to proctor those in cases of emergency. Especially if it's to the point where we're trying to keep a school open.
Both school districts tell me they haven't received their shipments just yet, but that they are grateful for the added safety measures whenever they do come. And again, anybody is eligible to come pick up test kits from the county health departments in South Carolina. Lana Harris, WCNC Charlotte.